Alright, welcome back to the Mach E Connection. Again, let's look in the bag of accessories and see what we got. Alright, back in the bag. Let's see what we have here. Oh, how about a steering wheel cover with orange accents to match the copper of the Mach E GT. Alright, so now we're on the Mach E. Let's see how this thing works out and fits. So as you can see here, the color is a little bit different. The steering wheel cover is a little bit more brighter. So I'm not quite sure how that will look, but let's find out right now. So before we add steering wheel cover, I want to check the heated steering wheel without the cover on it. So with that, let's go ahead and get the steering wheel heated up. That turns it on. You can see right now the steering wheel is at a good 62 degrees. I think we're about 65 here. Oh, 67. So I want to see this get this heated up to about 80 degrees if it gets that hot. And we'll put the cover on and see how it feels. So it's definitely warmer on the upper section. We're up to 91 degrees now. I'm not getting so much here. Oh, right there. So yeah, it seems like the heat element's right here at the top. You can see right here we're at 84, 85 degrees, 86. And up here we're pushing 90, 92 degrees. Yeah, you can definitely feel it. So let's get the wheel cover on and see how that changes things. Again, we want to line up this bottom bit here, the bottom of the steering wheel. Try to do that alignment. We're just going to slowly work our way around the wheel, pressing this guy out. Don't use your fingernails because you don't want to damage your stock steering wheel or the cover. Just palm your fingers and work it around. Just adjust it, just wiggle it around, make minor adjustments. There we go. So the wheel cover is on now. And if we look at the steering temperature now, we're still showing 66 degrees, so it hasn't heat warmed up yet. So give it a moment and see how this warms up and see if it compares. Alright, so I noticed earlier the heated seat icon turned itself off. So I got it back on now. We'll see if we can get a reading. So it's been a good, I think, 3 or 4 minutes now, and this steering wheel, it's just not heating up with the cover on. We're up to 75 degrees, and before, by now, it's already up to 90 degrees without the cover. So the cover is interfering with the heated steering wheel somehow. If you got a heated steering wheel, do not add a cover. But other than that, this cover does feel really good. I like the material, it's nice and soft. And it keeps my steering wheel clean from, you know, skin, sweat, and grease. So I'm going to keep mine on for now, but I think in the winter, if I want to heat a steering wheel, you definitely want to take this off. So thanks for enjoying my another accessory review. Later.